I will take next lesson of class 6th English, namely Granny's Fabulous Kitchen. Here, you know, you can write questions at ease from the text. Today I will take language work. Here you can check at page number 1 to 5. Guess the meaning of the underlined words in the following sentence. These meanings will be different from ones you have learned in the story. I'll turn over here. यहाँ पे आपको मीनिंग दिखानी है इन वर्ड्स की. इन सेंटेंसेस में कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिनकी मीनिंग आपको बतानी है, लेकिन दैट मस्ट बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द meaning which is already given in the sentences. First one is, there was a knock at the door and we were all frightened. There was a knock at the door and we were all frightened. सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है, आपको यहाँ पे जो फ्राइटेंड है इसका मीनिंग बताना है डिफरेंट वेज. दैट इज रिटन at your book, but you have to change it in different way. And we can write wag, जो अचानक दरवाजे पे नॉक हो गया, उसने हमें खौफजदा कर दिया. यहाँ पे लिखा है आप इसमें we all bang or tap, हम को चौंका दिया उसने. ओके. सेकेंड वन, the library houses hundreds of old manuscripts. यहाँ houses, the library houses hundreds of old manuscripts. You can use here contains or has. The library has, this library contains. Okay. Instead of houses, you can use has or contain. Okay. Third one, she's been really down since her husband died. उसका मॉरल काफ़ी बस हो गया जब से उसके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो गई. Instead of down, down is written already here, and we have to change this. We have to use different meaning here. We can say disappointed, dismayed or miserable. यहाँ पे हम disappointed भी लिख सकते हैं. We can also write dismay. We can also write miserable instead of down. Okay. Fourth one, return the jacket. It's not made of a good stuff. Return the jacket. It's not made of a good stuff. Stuff is underlined. You have to change here, but meaning should be same. Return the jacket. It's not made of a good material. We can write material instead of stuff here. Okay. Fifth one, he was charged with stealing a pair of trousers. He was charged. Charged is underlined here. We have to change this, but meaning should be same. We can write here, he was accused of with stealing a pair of trousers. Okay. Moreover, we have another portion. Match the words in the column A with their opposite in column B. यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा है, hard, sell, small, sweet, front, live, poor. Or column B, swear, rich, soft, buy, big, back, die. Right, right, opposites of that. Hard, the hard of opposite is soft. Okay, we can write it at ease, that is too easy, hard, soft. Sell, buy. Okay, small, big, sweet, sour, front, back. Okay, poor, rich. This is enough for today, and tomorrow I will take next portion of this lesson. Till then, Khuda